plane in Kathmandu, Nepal. Just landed, and pretty easy to get a visa here upon landing. We've had people try to do them online, and it seems like it's a little tricky. One thing that's good to think about when you are going to get your visa, when you get off the flight, it's good to not dilly-dally too much and to try to get towards the front of the line the best you can, depending on where you're sitting on the flight. But you're going to get off on the tarmac, you're going to load on a bus. That bus is going to drive you like 1 minute around, and then you'll get out and you'll be at a hallway that enters into the building. At the end of that hallway, there's a person sitting there asking you usually where you're from. And you pass by right on the right-hand side. When you pass them into the main hallway, corridor, welcome area, there's kiosks. It looks like an ATM machine almost. You go there and you need your flight number, fill out the information on your address and other things like that, your passport number, expiration date, and all that. At the end of that, window will come up with a grid with all of the information together, and you can hit print. Nothing ever prints out there. You take a photo, it even says to take a photo, and then continue straight over to the counter that says visas. They sell 15, 30, and 90-day visas. If you're on an Everest base camp trek, you're going to need a 30-day visa because we're more than 15 days in the country and you're right on the cusp. But if you have any kind of delay, you'll want to get the 30-day visa. You purchase your 30-day visa, it's a good idea to have cash, and then after you purchase the visa, you go over to the customs counter, you give them your slip of paper that you just bought, which is your visa. You go over to the counter with your passport and that slip of paper, your boarding pass again, and then you'll get a visa put into your passport. And you're going to continue through there, down the escalator. You'll come through a little screening area, metal detector area for your day pack or whatever your carry-on was. And then you're going to collect your bag. If you have any issues with your bags, you're going to want to have your baggage claim tickets. There's a counter just right next to the baggage claim area for reporting delayed baggage. And along with that, sometimes they check your claim tickets when you're leaving the building after you go through the green channel where you have nothing to declare. And then you're going to walk down the long hallway corridor. At the end of that hallway, you should find somebody that's there with the Worldwide Trekking logo ready to meet. Namaste!